mayambu khurumjari adom nengbiribas impact news ni aisonali maibam na hojik pungja asifau bugi maroiba pausing miyam bizari Manipur ki Governor Anusha Uikena Justice Siddharth Mridul bo High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice oina wasak laukre High Court of Manipur da lairiba pending case mahaki matamda athubada loisinna bahotna gani haina Chief Justice Siddharth Mridul na phungdokre ngasi Raj Bhavan gi darbar hall da pangthokhi bathauram amada Justice Mridul bo High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice oina Governor Anusha Uikena wasak lauhanki wasak laubugi thauram aduda Manipur ki Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Speaker Thokchom Satyabrata, Cabinet Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Minister Qasim Vasum, Minister Laisangthem Susindro, BJP ki MLA Singh, Chief Secretary DGP, Manipur Lenga ki Makokthongba Official, High Court of Manipur ki Acting Chief Justice, MP Muralidharan, Justice Hanthem Bimol, Justice A. Guneshwar Sarma, Judge Gaiful Silu Golmai Kabui, High Court of Manipur ki Registrar General Yauna, Masak Naiba Miyoi Kayana Sarukyaki, Tungda Pau Misinga Unaba Amada Justice Siddharth Mridul Nahai, High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice oina wasak lauba asida apenba amadi nungaijaba ama faujai High Court of Manipur da hojiki oina pending case lising chahumga kuntra manga lairi haibagi pau fangjare miyamna pending case ki damak nungaitaba fauningai leite case khudingmak ningthijana hearing chatharaba matungda athubada dispose tawgani haina Chief Justice na thajaba thamlakhi
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I feel wonderful from what I have seen ever since I arrived. It's a calm, quiet and wonderful place, and it's made a sea change in terms of the air quality and the environment, and I look forward to a productive tenure here. And I am told that the entire pendency in Manipur is 3,335 cases at the High Court, and I assure you that those are the number of cases that are disposed of within a very short period of time in the court where I come from. Of course, it's a much larger court, the Delhi High Court. The Manipur High Court has just 5 judges, including me at the moment. But pendency is not something that you will have to worry about. Everybody will get a patient hearing and an early disposal. We assure you of that.